I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with clear vision and stability. Secure the movement in a holder and work under a 10x loop. Once done, blow away debris and use pegwood to expose the screw head. This prevents slipping. If the head is stripped, apply a drop of penetrating oil and let it soak for 5–10 minutes so threads loosen. Make sure to record screw position and any parts you remove so reassembly is straightforward. Now position the correct size screwdriver centered in the recess and prepare for controlled turning. You proceed by increasing mechanical advantage without damaging parts. Press a rubber tire pad over the head and turn slowly. This often grabs rounded metal. If stripped, seat a hardened micro extractor or a slightly oversized flat bit and tap lightly with a wooden stick to improve bite. For rusted screws, apply a tiny amount of penetrating fluid and warm the area gently to expand metal. Make sure to mask neighboring jewels and lubricate after removal so pivots and bridges remain safe and clean. You finish by cleaning the screw channel. Use pegwood and a matching tap to chase threads so a replacement seats properly. Once replaced, apply the correct small amount of lubricating grease to avoid future seizing. If the screw shears or remains locked, drill centrically with an appropriate micro drill bit and use a collet extractor. Only after confirming you can protect surrounding components. If threads are damaged, retap or replace the stud. This solves recurring failures and preserves movement integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.